everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove card from Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Shein and log into your account. So I'm just going to log into mine. So once I've logged into your account here, so if you want to remove a card, or if you don't want Shein to remember your card, so you can do it by when you make a purchase. So I'll show that. So for example, let me make a purchase, for example this one here. So I'm going to add this to my card, and then let me go to the card and then proceed with the checkout. So when I get to checkout here, okay, so when I get to checkout here, so I'll have my shipping address there, that's fine, and then everything here. All right, so what I'm interested here is with the payment method here. So if I want to add or remove my card, so what happens is when I choose the debit card here, by default my debit card option will be saved here, so because I've used it previously to make a purchase. But if you don't want that to be saved, so what you can do, choose this credit and debit card option, click on place order, and then when you get to this screen here where you're going to enter the card details here, so underneath here you'll see an option called remember this card option. So make sure that option is turned off. So if you turn that on, then your card will be saved. So if you don't want your card to be saved, if you want it to be removed, then just make sure that this option here, all right, this option here is turned off, so it's not turned on. So that's how you can not save or remove your card from Shein. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.